What is the level of applicability of CPC in revenue code? Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and section 5 discusses exactly on that particular question. Section 5 is one of the important section as far as preliminary part of CPC is concerned, and I have just one slide which gives all the details about this particular section. And why to waste time, let's get into the only slide. First thing first, let us try understand what is the scope of revenue code. Here I am not going to define the entire scope of revenue code, but we need to know that the scope of revenue code includes the suits and other proceedings relating to the rent, revenue or profits of land used for agriculture purpose. Now this is one important thing that you need to keep in your mind. Now if something is coming under the scope of revenue code, while dealing with that particular code, the revenue code shall apply all the special and other local laws for that particular case. And if there is any conflict or inconsistency of that particular section with CPC, in that case, the special or local laws should be respected. Just like section 4 where we discussed the term savings, there also the special and local laws are given high importance when there is conflict or inconsistency is available. But the difference between section 4 and 5 is whenever there is a silent in special or local laws, the CPC section will be implemented in the case of section 4, whereas in section 5, that is when it comes to revenue code, it is not simply implemented. It is with the state government notification, maybe the CPC, that is civil procedure code section, may be implemented. That is what you need to remember. And here the state government may apply the provisions of the CPC with modification, or it may exclude few of the aspects also. That right is available with the state government. So that is what you need to remember. So in a nutshell, if I have to rebrief, now the revenue code when handling the cases relating to rent, revenue or profit of land used for agriculture purpose shall look at the special or local laws, and if there is any conflict or inconsistency between special or local laws with CPC, in that case CPC will be completely ignored. However, if the special or local laws are silent on that particular aspect, but CPC is specifying anything on that particular aspect, in that case with the state government notifications, CPC can be implemented, and state government has all the right to do modification or exclude certain things from CPC while applying them to revenue code. We started our discussion understanding the scope of revenue code, and we shall conclude the discussion by understanding what is not coming under the scope of revenue code. The cases which are having original jurisdiction under the civil code or of the civil nature will not come under the scope of revenue code, and that is the last thing that you need to remember as far as section 5 is concerned. With that, I am concluding this particular video, and in my next class I am going to cover another important section from CPC, that is pecuniary jurisdiction. Till then, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching my channel, and thanks again.